Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the Infused hair regrowth expose to see if you should actually buy it. Hair loss is a sensitive subject that hits the confidence hard, which is exactly why the internet is crawling with miracle cures promising to turn your scalp into a lush forest overnight. Infused claims to be a powerful formula that stops hair loss and regrows thick, strong hair in just a few weeks. It's a bold claim, but unfortunately, the only thing growing here is the list of disappointed customers. After digging into the details, it's painfully obvious that this product is about as legitimate as a $3 bill. The website makes massive promises without a shred of scientific evidence or a single doctor's recommendation to back them up. While real treatments usually involve clinical trials, Infused prefers the trust me, bro approach, using generic before and after photos likely stolen from the far reaches of the internet. To make matters worse, many buyers report that after months of use, they saw zero changes. In a tragic twist of irony, some users even noticed more hair falling out after starting the treatment. It's quite an achievement to sell a hair growth product that actually accelerates balding. If the lack of results wasn't bad enough, the company's sales tactics are straight out of the Shady Business 101 handbook. They lure you in with a free trial, only to hit your credit card with massive, unauthorized charges hidden deep in the fine print. It's a classic trap designed to make canceling nearly impossible. Even the ingredients are suspicious, featuring basic vitamins that are great for a morning smoothie, but do absolutely nothing for a receding hairline on their own. Overall, Infused is a scam you should avoid at all costs. Your hair and your bank account will be much safer if you just talk to a real doctor instead of a website that uses Photoshop as its lead scientist. Thanks for watching.